Hello everybody, that one guy here. Today I'm going to show you how to reset that pesky light on a Toyota Prius Generation 2, which would be from the years 2004 to 2009 models. So I'll keep this quick and to the point and try and make it as simple as possible. Again, that's what the light looks like. It pops up every roughly 5,000 miles to remind you of oil changes, etc. Just don't confuse that with the check engine light. That is something completely different. So this is what you're going to do. First of all, you're going to want to have the odometer setting displayed on your dashboard. You don't want trip A, you don't want trip B. You want the odometer setting displaying. ODO for short. Now we're going to turn the car all the way off by hitting the power button. Okay, so now the car is off. Now what we're going to do to reset that maintenance required light is this. You're going to go over here. You are going to hold down the odometer and trip button over here. You are then going to press the power button twice, but do not step on the brake pedal as if you were going to start the car. So I'll try and do this the best I can with filming. I don't know if I can reach or not. No, I can't. So let me set this down for just a second here. Well, that's not going to work either. All right, I'll do it like this. So we're going to hold this down. Now with our foot off the brake pedal, we're going to hit the power button twice. You'll see those series of dashes counting down. It's really quick. Where the odometer was, and then that light should be reset. So let's turn it back off. So now the car's off. Now I'll start the car all the way and we'll see if it's gone. So there's all my lights now, and as you can see, it is reset, and it should pop on, as I said, about another 5,000 miles. So hopefully this quick tutorial helps somebody, and we'll see you guys later.